What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click up my canal. So today we're here to do an unboxing for you guys. I want to show you guys some bed sheets I picked up. The last time on my video when I show you guys how I show you guys my bedroom and I show you guys my bed sheet, someone asked me like, where did I get the white bed sheet and how do I keep my bed sheet white and clean. When it comes to washing my bed sheets, especially the white one, I use baking soda. I use baking soda to wash it, and I use baking soda to wash it, and that keep it really clean. And I don't really leave the bed sheet for like the white sheet. I don't leave it for a long time. I leave it for a week and then I change it. So like I have like two white ones and two other colors. And now I pick up two, so now I have like 5 bed sheets, 5 of the, in Holland we call it dekbedovertrek. You know, it's like you have a blanket, but something you put on top of the blanket. The bed sheet is actually the one you put on the bed, but this one I'm talking about, the one you put on top of the blanket. We call it dekbedovertrek. So I have like 5 of it. I have 2 white, one other like a light brown and a creamy color, and now I get 2. So now I have like 5 total. The reason why I don't have a lot of that, because yeah, I just don't want to have a lot. I like to change. Like for example, maybe one gets really dirty, I can't use it. There are days that sometimes the kids will mess things up and I can't really wash the things out of it, so I'll just throw it away and get a new one. So I got me some 2 new one today, so I want to show you guys how they look. Because somebody asked me where do I get my bed sheets from, my dekbedovertrek blanket thing. I got it from the woon. This is where I get it. Woon. This video is not sponsored. I get a lot of stuff from there just because it's easy access. It's one website but different store in it. So yeah, so I got this one there, and it's also white. Yes, guys, I love white. Like I'm obsessed with white. It's not all of them. Both of them are not like white, but like the other one is 2 colors, is 1 white. Like this one is white. So this is what this one looks like, and this is the company. I think all of my blanket now, both 5 of them, I get them from the same company, from woon. And you can either order from the company, you go to their website and order, or you go to the woon and order. So for me, sometimes if I want to order something from a woon, if I see that the price on the woon is higher than the actual price on the website, I just go and order from the website. But most of the time, the prices are just the same. It only depends like few things that you can't easily get in Holland. Those are the things, their prices are like high. Like for example, if you want to buy epidamine, the price is really high. Certain things, the price go high. Like for example, the Juvia's Plates makeup palette, they do sell it at the woon, but for very expensive, like double the price that they sell it at the Juvia's Place website. Double the price they sell it in the woon. So stuff like that I don't really buy. But this is the 2 bed sheets I bought from the same company. As you guys can see, this is like gray, but then when you flip it over, it's white. So, and this one is just white with light gray strips. And so yeah, this is just how I like, because everything in my room is white, so I want to keep it that whiteness. I just like to keep it. I like to, when I come into the bedroom, I like it to look fresh, even though sometimes it's very hard. The kids get messed. The kids, they come to the room and mess things up. To be honest, as much as I want my bedroom to stay neat and clean, I like to have fun with my kids. There are days that I'm having breakfast in bed. Maybe I just I download a movie. No, I don't download the movie. A movie is downloaded to my laptop, and we just sit in the bed. The family, me and the family, we just sit on the bed, watch the movie on the laptop, eat breakfast in bed, maybe eat like some biscuits, some Coke, some chips. And sometimes, yeah, it does happen that the room get messy, but we'll clean it. But most of the time, I just like to keep everything fresh, everything simple and clean. So that's why I make it very simple. So this is the reason why I always like to get like colors that I can see easily if they are dirty and I can wash it. So I've been using it. I've been using baking soda to wash most of the whites, not even the bed sheet, but like white stuff, white clothes, white t-shirts. I use baking soda, and sometimes, for example, there's sometimes we're having breakfast in bed, the kids they pour orange juice on the bed sheet. What I did, I just removed the bed sheets and put it in a bucket of hot water and put some salt in it. I put some salt and baking soda. And I first put the salt, and then the salt kind of like get the juice out, and then I put the baking soda, let it soak for a day, and then everything came out, and then I put it in the washing machine, wash it, add also a little bit of baking soda and wash that one. And trust me, and I have this wasverzachter. I don't know the English word. We call it wasverzachter in Dutch. It's like this thing you put onto your, when you're washing your clothes, to make your clothes have this beautiful, fresh, nice smell. And I have this particular brand that I use. This is the only wasverzachter I've used for like years now, since I came to Holland. I one day went to the store and I saw this one and I love it, and I've been buying it now for years. I can't remember how long I've been using that, and the smell is really beautiful. So I use that to wash my bed sheets. So this is what they look like. What I'm going to test, I'm going to open one and test it on the blankets on the bed to see if it properly fits, because sometimes I pick up the right size, but because every blanket is built differently, sometimes it doesn't really fit inside. So I'm going to test it to see if it's the right one, and if it's the right one, I just put them both in the washing machine, because I like to wash it before ever I use it. And yeah, so this is it. This is the bed sheet. This is the one I get, and this were on sales. Okay, this were on sales, so I picked this one up. So these are the things. Now I have 5. So now I have 5. So I go in between the 5. So I change in between. I go like, I have 2 white ones. So sometimes it's very crazy when I clean the bed and I put the white one again. I remove the old dirty white one and I put the clean white one. And then my kids will be like, Mom, you have to change your bed sheets. I'm like, I've changed it. My son always confused, like, why do you have to put the same one, the same white one you just, why can't you put other color? I'll be like, no, because I love the white one. So yeah, it's very crazy, but that's just me. But guys, this is how. So if you live in Holland and you want some blankets, this video is not sponsored. I just love this brand. I love the quality. I love the materials. It feels really good, and its material is very strong. I've used it now for a while. I've washed it multiple times, and it doesn't looks different. It still looks very good. It still have that really nice quality, and it's cutting. I really like it. It's very, very high quality. I really do enjoy buying stuff like this. So guys, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you guys have any question, if you guys have any question, let me know in the comments box. Als je vragen hebt, laat me weten in de beschrijvingsbox. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram, op mijn Facebookpagina. Als je in Nederland woont, kijk bij debo.nl. If you don't live in Holland, and maybe, I don't know, maybe you can look the name of the brand and check it at your own, in your own country. But for some of you guys who live in Holland, you can either check the name of the store, or you can just go to debo.nl and type in. The reason why I like to buy it from debo.nl, you buy it today. If you order it today before 6 o'clock, the next day you have it at home, and that is just, for me, it's just perfect. You know, I really don't like to wait for like years for me to receive my package. I just like to receive them very fast. So that's the reason why I love debo.nl. When you buy something, you just receive it as soon as possible. So I'm going to test one first, and then wash if it fits. If I like it, I like the way it looks, I like the color, I like everything, I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to then fix it on the bed. So I will maybe put a picture at the end, or maybe do a little video and show you guys how it looks on the bed. Okay, so guys, this is your girl Amy, and thank you guys so much for your love and support, which I really appreciate. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you all so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Doeg!